This video shows how to load recipes to the oven from a USB drive using the Converge Oven with Deluxe Control. Before you begin, make sure the oven is on, but not in a cooking mode. You will need a USB drive loaded with recipes. To save recipes using the USB drive, do the following. First, touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the Settings icon. The General Settings screen displays. Plug the USB drive into the port. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch the Upload Recipes from USB setting. The oven loads the recipe file. When the process is complete, the Recipes Uploaded screen displays. Touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. Remove the USB drive. The recipes are now loaded. For more videos, please visit our website.